Hey, how you doing? It's your boy JoJo English, aka G.I. Joe, and I'm just back with another review. I've had my Volcano now since about Thursday night, and just wanted to update everybody. And also, what I didn't do the first time is just give everybody a quick glance of what you get. Excuse me, when you get the deluxe kit. When you order a Volcano deluxe kit, you can expect a nice box, that they give you with everything in it. And as you can see, they got some like magnet-like tabs to keep the box closed. So it's very professional looking. It's not cheap looking, like you see sometimes. It contains everything you get in it. Got some cards in there right now, but you get that. Also with that, you get your PCC, and it's got room for your carts and your battery, your SIG that you're using. You can charge it up to like 5 times. Your battery's up to like 5 times before the pack goes out, and it's really nifty, and it's not bulky at all. Fits very well. It's kind of almost like the same size pack of cigarettes as a pack of cigarettes, so it's not that bad. You also get a USB charger. Right now I have one of my batteries in there that I was charging. Just wanted to give y'all a look, and it's pretty nice, pretty handy. Actually, I use this more than I use the PCC. And what else? Let's see, what else? Ah, wall charger, USB cable for your PCC. Works pretty good. Other than that, just wanted to give y'all an update. Right now, I just changed out carts, so I got a menthol flavor in there. It's my first time actually tasting a menthol, so I'll give that a shot. And just loaded it up so we can see what we get off of it. Pretty nice. Um, Actually, it tastes really good. Wow. Props to Volcano for that. Like I said, what I've noticed so far is you get really consistent vapor. Throat hit is great. What I have noticed is that a lot of people complain about the inconsistency, uh, and I think that's the reason, because I think the card is going out. I mean, just 15 minutes ago, I was getting strong vapors, and it started going out on me. I thought it was the battery. I changed the battery, same thing. So what I ended up doing was just taking a look at the inside of there, and taking a look at the inside of the cart, I realized that all the juice was pretty much dried up. It wasn't that much left on on the wool that they put in there to hold the liquid. Just wasn't enough at all. So I think that's really where it comes from. The inconsistency comes from is people don't realize that their carts are running out, and you got to pop another one in there. So as far as that goes, I think it's a great product. Like I said, I'm still waiting on the blue to come in. I'd like to review that also, but I honestly feel that Volcano is definitely a really great starter kit for anybody that's just breaking into the new world of e-cigs. I think it's a great kit, and I think you should probably invest and go get one. If not, buy a disposable, see how that works. But I mean, I really think that you should probably just spend the extra money and just get the kit. Um, see what else we can get off this though. Nice. That's all I can say. Um, I'll be giving another update, possibly next week, to let you know how it goes. I don't think the atomizer in this is actually broken in just yet. So, but so far so good. And like I said, you should definitely check it out. Go check out reviews, check out videos, ask questions. That's what I say. Ask questions. Get on the forums and ask people questions. Read the forums. Read what they're about, and really get a good idea of of what you're going to buy before you buy it. Do some research, and you should be good to go. Other than that, signing off.